5G handover is an important feature to provide a smooth mobile user experience. However, the handover feature introduces several security threats. Examples of related SCAS threats defined by 3GPP are bidding down on XN handover, AS algorithm selection and use, G-Node B controlled plane data confidentiality protection, and controlled plane data integrity protection. Security requirements associated with these threats during cell handovers need to be vigorously and accurately tested. In this demo, these Security Assurance Specification or SCAS tests are performed, following the specification defined by OmniRAN Alliance and 3GPP. These SCAS tests focus on the security threats that occur during the 5G handover. The tests are conducted on the QCT 5G systems, which consists of the QCT 5G core, the QCT baseband units, BBU, the QCT fronthaul gateway, and the QCT remote radio units, RRU. The testing tools used are the Keysight UE simulator, the Keysight application server, and the Keysight Test Management Center for test automation. The handover scenario is simulated by the UE simulator on a real 5G network, hosted at the Singapore University of Technology and Design or SUTD. These are the actual hardware used in conducting the tests. This scene illustrates the XN handover procedure and the exchanges of the corresponding C-plane messages. When a UE moves from one cell to another, the handover procedure is triggered. It involves a series of message exchanges between the network elements before the UE is finally handed over to the target cell. For the test case 1.14, the bidding down attack means compromised BBU bids down or downgrade victim UE to a less secure radio access network to exploit vulnerabilities in the 5G network. Test case 1.15 requires verification that the access stratum or AS protection algorithm is selected correctly after an inter-GNB handover. Initially, the AS algorithm that has the highest priority is selected correctly by the source BBU. During the handover, the faulty target BBU does not select the AS algorithm that has the highest priority for that UE, and updates the UE with a lower AS algorithm. For test cases 1.16 and 1.17, assuming an attacker has gained access to a compromised XN interface in the network. During the handover procedure, the attacker at the XN interface can read and manipulate the XN messages. The UE security configuration is compromised. The Keysight UE simulator simulates an advanced mobility scenario with a UE moving between two cells, which triggers the handover from cell 1 to cell 2. Leveraging SUTD's feedback, Keysight's Test Management Center provides better automation, insightful results, and test reproducibility. The tests validated that the path switch request message contains the correct UE security capabilities. The MAC in the handover complete message is verified, the AS algorithm is selected and applied correctly. The XN AP packets are encrypted as ESP packets with IPsec. From the tests, we concluded that the QCT 5G G-Node B is secured during handover. This demonstration is a collaboration between SUTD, Keysight, and QCT.